Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add text on a whiteboard in a meeting on the Zoom app. So if you are on this whiteboard, for example, and you would like to add text somewhere, for here example, in the middle, then you will have to go to the left side on the toolbar and find the T. The T means text. After that you tap on it, then you can select where you would like to add text. Then you can type in here. You can change its size, for example, by tapping on the number next to it. You can change if you would like to be bold, or you would like to have an underline. You can change its color here. You can change the placing. If you would like to create a list, then you can here. And if you would like to copy, and that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.